Classic and tender chicken wings have never been so easy to cook. Try these oven-baked golden herb chicken wings and potatoes for a deliciously filling meal tonight. Start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Onto a baking dish, spread out pieces of chicken wings and chopped potatoes. Set aside. Into a bowl, add some Italian dressing, grated parmesan cheese, dried oregano, dried thyme, dried rosemary, salt, and ground black pepper. Stir to combine. Now pour the herb mixture over the chicken wings and potatoes, then toss to coat. Cover with aluminum foil and bake in the oven for 30 minutes. Afterward, remove the aluminum foil and bake for an additional 30 minutes. Don't forget to garnish with chopped parsley before serving.